Time to pause your video and try another one. All right, thermophilic bacteria. Phil means love, heat. In this case, this bacteria loves hot environments such as hot springs. When I was in Idaho, I used to go to these hot springs by the mountainside, and it would just be outside, and it would be it wouldn't get this hot, 158, but it would get really, really hot. And sometimes I wonder how people can even um, stand those high temperatures. Anyway, question is about asking what are optimal conditions for the enzyme. So another enzyme question. You know, in this test, there's only two kinds of questions on enzymes. They're either going to ask you what do enzymes do, or what affects enzymes. And this is the second kind of question: what affects enzymes? And clearly, it's a temperature thing here. All right. So the answer is simply 158 degrees is the optimal conditions. All right. And the reason is because the bacteria is alive at that temperature. So for the bacteria or any living thing to be alive, all right, there's my generic enzyme. Those enzymes have to have the appropriate active site. And this is a very important term. Okay, so in order for substrates to bind into this active site, it has to have the right shape. And at 158 degrees, it has the right shape. So there's your answer. Okay, part B. Describe what would happen if the bacteria is placed in room temperature laboratory. So room temperature is like 70 degrees, more like. Okay. So that's a big change in temperature. That's the point. When temperature changes, the the structure, that means the shape or the appearance, in this case the shape of the active site changes. Structure of active site changes. That's always bad. If this active site shape changes, substrate can't connect to it. That bacteria is dead. Right? That's going to lead to the enzyme becoming denatured. So use that word. That means the enzyme doesn't work. Okay? In other words, if you took bacteria from these hot springs and brought them home, they would die because the enzymes in their body would change shape.